Hi everyone, this is Charlie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to help you master all the basic Korean alphabet. Unlike any other languages, we Korean only have 24 basic alphabet. It'll take you only less than a half an hour to master all of it. Let's get started. First, we have vowels and then we have consonants. Vowels are something like A, E, I, O, U. And consonants are things like B, C, D, da, da, da. Vowels are called 모음. Consonants are called 자음. First, we have this full 모음. From left to the right, they're a, o, u, u. Please take a look at my mouth, the size of my mouth. It's getting smaller. A, o, u, u. I studied English and Chinese and Japanese. All of you have sounds in your own language, so I don't think it's problematic. And the second one is kind of tricky. And the third one is O. So it's something like alphabet O in English, but it's kind of different because in English, the alphabet O makes your mouth change. So in English, it's like O, but in Korean, O doesn't change. It's just O. O, O. Think of the sound that happens at first of your O, English O, right? A third one was O, and the last one is U, U. So the first one and the third one and the fourth one are kind of familiar. A, U, U. But the problem is the second one. The second one sounds like O, O. So the mouth size is somewhere in between A and U. It's O, O. And if you ask me how would you spell this sound in English, then I would say it's E-O, and it sounds like O, O. So think of the situation you're like hesitating saying something, then you would make this kind of sound like O. So this vowel sounds like that. O, O. So the first one was second one was O, third one was O, and fourth one was U. O, U, U. That's right. These are first four vowels of the basic vowels. I wanted to introduce you one special consonant, which is circle. If the circle was number, which number is that? That's 0, right? What does 0 mean? 0 means nothing. So this consonant circle is also nothing. Even though it's a consonant, it doesn't make any sound. So you guys remember the four vowels we just took a look at? The first one was A, second one was O, third, U, fourth, U, right? With circles combining with them doesn't make any change. So these are still A, O, U, U. A, O, U, U. We're gonna go to the next package, which is this. Except for the first one, other three are really simple. The second one sounds like E. E. In English and Japanese and Chinese, you all have the sound E. So I don't think you'll have any issue with that. The third one and the fourth one are same. They both sound like E. E. So the second one was E. Third one and fourth one was E. Alright, then let's talk about the first one. This is the tricky one. Make your mouth shape just like what it looks like. Like this. And then imagine you have something you don't really like in front of you. Like, for example, I personally don't really like cockroach. So I think the cockroach is over there. And I would make this sound, ooh, because I don't like it. This vowel makes that kind of sound, ooh, ooh. If you ask me how would I spell it with English alphabet, then I would say it's but I'm not really sure. You have to understand this is different language. You have to just learn the sound. So the first package, you had this four vowels, which was A, O, U, U, right? A, O, U, U. And at the first package, the O was the tricky one. O. Because in English, in Chinese, in Japanese, you don't have the sound O. And the second package, you have this U, I, E. The first one, is kind of tricky because you don't have the sound in your own language. So O and U except for those two, other six, they're kind of easy, right? So the first package was u. Second package was e. Just like we talked about earlier, the circle doesn't make any difference in sound. So they are also e. Let's review. First, we took a look at four basic vowels, which are o, u. We also took a look at the special consonant, which is circle. Doesn't make any change. It's still a. This is also still o. This is still o. This still u. O, u. And then for the next package, we have these four vowels, e. And just like the first package, even if you add circle, circle doesn't change any sound. So it's still this is still e. This is still e. This is still e. Okay? If you wondered why would Korean people make these two vowels with same sound, it's because people say like long time ago, like hundreds years ago, people distinguished these two sounds. People say this first A is more like and the second A is more like eh. But who cares? Like nobody cares, so you don't have to study this. So life is so busy. Even Korean native speakers don't really distinguish those two sounds. So those two are eh. Okay? And some of you might ask this question too. If you're not gonna make any sound with this circle, why would you make one consonant? That's because Korean language, we like to put things in the box. In one box, 2 to 4 alphabets can fit. Not 1, not 5. It has to be 2 or 3 or 4 alphabets. But sometimes you wanna make sound just like like that. This is just but if it's only you can't put it in the box. So you can't make it one word. So just to accompany this we add this 0. So without changing any sound, you can still write the sound down. Okay? First, why would you make two different alphabets with same sound? And second, why would you make one consonant if you're not gonna make any difference in sound? You can't be single when it comes to fitting in the box. That's why we need the circle to accompany the vowels. Congratulations! So this is all for the basic vowels, and we are going to go to the basic consonants now. And if you have any more questions, please ask me in the comments section.